So today I decided to be a little productive and I picked up a few things. Let's get into it. Okay, so first stop was the beauty supply store. I found the cutest comb. I'm gonna braid my daughter's hair. Yeah. These beads, y'all know my favorite colors are pink and purple. It's gonna be so cute. Of course, I wanted to get my lashes done, but I know the water's gonna mess them up. So, honey, please, you can't go wrong with a little strippy strip. Yeah, those are too cute. I love a little wispy look. Of course, some rubber bands for her hair. And y'all, the girl that braided my hair was using these, and it smells so good. So I had to get some of this for my daughter's hair. Oh, yeah, and I found some little ankle bracelets, child. Something for me to just, wham, throw on. Yeah. Yeah, of course, yeah. And, of course, this is like the best lash glue ever, y'all. This right here. This super strong hold. Best lash glue. Well, I like it. So, yeah. I had to stop by Sephora first. And everything that I wanted, they did not freaking have. So, that was a bummer. Your girl been up since 3:25 today. So, yeah. I'm tired. I'm just not getting in the house. Yeah. And it's late at night, girlies. But, yes, this long-lasting makeup setting spray. You can never go wrong with some Urban Decay. A classic for sure. Yes, darling. Yes. So that's what I got from Sephora. So then I had to go to Ulta. Of course, darling. Honey, I haven't used this in so long. I have been using like drugstore products. But I'm like, okay, let me go back to what I know. This NW45 Matte Studio Fix. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. And then this brow lift. Yeah, I've been using brow gel, and it is like the best thing I could have ever started doing or whatever. Best thing going. Brow lift. Yes. And I got this color corrector. I have fallen in love with like red. A more red color corrector. That orange is not what's up. Had me looking like the Great Pumpkin. And ain't nobody got time for that. And so, first I end up getting some concealer for under my brow. And I got this in the color shade, what is it? Suede. LA Pro Concealer. I ain't used it in so long. I don't know what made me start going back to old stuff. And, of course, we had to stop at the the Five Below. So my daughter needed some headphones. So we got these really cute Hello Kitty wireless headphones, y'all, from Five Below. I'm going to pair them to her iPad. Those are so cute. Too cute. You can't go wrong with it. You can't beat it. And I found honey. Baby, do you hear me? Yes. Your girl. Yes, found this 10-foot. Do you see that, baby? 10-foot. iPhone charger. Yes. The cord, of course. Then I found the cutest. Nobody can take this, baby. The cutest. The cutest little wall amp. Ain't this cute? It's Bedazzled. And if you like my MacBook, I can plug that one and that right there. And then I'm gonna use this to charge my phone up with. But that is just too cute, y'all. Can't beat that. Honey, look at this, y'all. I found this really good powder brush on sale for $4. What they do that at? Yes, ma'am. Of course I had to. Baby. And I found this angle blend brush. Of course, $4 as well on sale. And it's pretty thick. I like the bristles on it or whatever. So, yeah. And we got to unbox the box. So, let's see what we got here, baby. My little Shein haul, honey. You can't beat these. Aren't those cute? So cute.
Oh.
She just have to be in everything I do. Get out of here. So, I should try this stuff on and see how it is, but it definitely won't be tonight. It won't. It won't. These. What is all these, honey? A shirt or something. Some earrings. I'm so happy it came because I was like, oh my God, it's going to come too late. I'm going to open this stuff up too so we can really get into it. Baby. A box of stuff. Lord have mercy, Jesus. I got a good deal. This was all a good deal. You can't beat this stuff. I'm going to definitely go and open it up so we can see what your girl got. You want to open yours too? Okay. You going to show them your headphones?
Yeah.
Ooh, tell me about your headphones. What color are they?
Pink.
Okay, twist them around for me. Wow, those are really nice. They're awesome. Do you like them?
Yeah.
Awesome. So, yes, honey. I'm going to have to open this stuff up. I have to give my baby some stuff. Child, you know how you just need some little go-to stuff? It's like some little go-to stuff, cute stuff, you know? But we going to make it do what it do. Of course, don't play that. Don't play. It's going to be so cute. And we going to open this stuff up and see what we working with, what we twerking with. Because your girl tired, y'all. I'm going to be trying this stuff on. That's right, baby. Tell them don't forget to what? That's right. Subscribe to her mommy channel, period. Okay? Green. Don't forget to like and subscribe for Addie. That's right, baby. We got to get you a channel, baby. And these sandals, y'all. They so cute. Yeah, they look a little long, baby. It's giving long. Aren't those the cuties? Stay tuned. My baby gotta talk, y'all. She just can't help it. She can't help it. She can't help it.
My hair so much.
Okay, cool. So I told my mom about this. It's so crazy. I sent this to her, y'all. She sent me something about kids getting snatched. And I was like, babe, she ain't gonna let me be great. But I was like, oh my God, they snatching kids? Jesus Christ. It was something that she sent me, y'all. And I was like, they ain't gonna snatch my child. So this is actually, y'all, something for me to keep up with Adeline when we're in large crowds or whatever like that. You know, let's open it up, Eddie. Unzip it. Take everything out, Adeline, since you want to do something. Take it out. Show it. Pull it out. Pull it out. Yeah. What do we have here? So, I know it's giving. I was always against this type of stuff when I used to see people like this. I was like, oh, why would she do her child like that? Y'all, until you get in those shoes, don't judge those people. Do not judge them people. Please. Please don't. Especially when you have like an active child like mine. And most kids like to wander off and run away and walk off. No. So I'm definitely like, when we do go to the airport or whatever like that, I'm definitely going to put one on my arm and hers. And then it connects to the backpack or whatever. So, you know, we'll probably put her a juice or something like that in there. Keep her occupied. And the main goal is to keep her, you know, safe, protected, and close to me. Her, you can put that back in there. Put that back in the inside. And zip it back up. So, of course, y'all know my mom is like a shopaholic. That's what she does. That's what she do. Yeah. Ain't rub off on me. I'm just playing. But anyway, this is from Travelers Club, y'all. And I got these from Macy's. They had like a flash sale. Thank you so much, baby. They had a flash sale. And they had this 5-piece luggage. Yeah, the box can't beat up like this, but it's all good. They had this 5-piece luggage set on sale, y'all, for $69.99. So I'm like, I gotta get this for my girl. So it comes with this push button, telescopic handle, this carries, and it's hard. It's like hard side. So it's hard. So it's gonna stand the test of time for sure. And then you got like this little bag where we're gonna pack her little lunch in here. So cute, y'all. She got a neck pillow. She got a luggage tag. And she also has a backpack to match it. So I felt like this is just so appropriate, you know. And it's going to be so nice. So, Addie, let's open it up. Show them what you got. Wow.
It's opening.
Yeah. Okay, so pull it out.
Ooh, it's too heavy.
You can do it. You can do
I
it.
can muscle and I'm healthy.
That's right. You got. Oh, this is what it looks like. 5-piece set. Y'all know my turtle game, not the big. Okay. Shout out to Macy's for running this flash sale. This is just too cute. You know, like this is a great gift. You know, this is something that can be used for Christmas time, like as a Christmas gift, birthday gift, just because, you know, like kids need that little luggage too. We don't always want their stuff with ours. And plus, you know, when you traveling, they want to feel important and special too. We can't leave the babies out. Here, come on. Let's show the people what you got, baby A. Open it up. Open it up. Unbox your luggage. Let's unzip it some. Okay. Come on.
Whoa.
She getting her hair done tomorrow. Don't do my baby.
Backpack.
It's a giant backpack.
What's up with this? Whoa.
Say luggage tag.
Luggage tag.
Yes.
Whoa. Luggage tag.
Open this.
Whoa.
Your neck pillow. Isn't that the cutest? That is too cute. And you got your backpack. Is that too cute?
Yeah.
We missing something. Wait a minute now. It must be on the inside. Let's open this up. Here, help me open it. Yeah, open it up.
Wonderland, open it.
Yeah, awesome. Here, unzip it. Can you get it? Look, isn't that cute? We're gonna pack your lunch on the plane. Is that cute or what?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
It's all for you, little girl. This is too cute, y'all. So there is everything that is our haul. I know y'all want to see these outfits and these clothes. I'm just gonna probably have to upload and make some videos, you know, when I put this stuff on to get myself together, y'all. But this is everything. Yeah. So don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you later.